evening, my fabulous 180. First of all, shout out to my newest subscriber, and also, thank you for helping me reach my goal. Second of all, I had my Pinch Me sample box come in the mail this afternoon, so I'm gonna show you some stuff that came in there. The first couple things I got were coupons and voucher things. One was for HelloFresh, the other one was for some sort of wine website, neither of which I will be using. But I will show you what the things that I will be trying. The first thing is some color enhancing and toning shampoo and conditioner from Eva NYC. Never heard of this brand. I will be trying it at some point during one of my showers. And I also have in here some hair cream from the same exact brand. So I'll be trying that as well. And then I have some Aveeno body wash that I'll be trying as soon as my current body wash runs out. So that's what's happening with that. And that there's more of the shampoo and conditioner and hair cream in the box, but obviously I'm not gonna show you guys the same thing twice. And I'm also watching Chamber of Secrets right now, so that's happening, and it sounds like it's about to storm, so that's what I'm going to be doing on this stormy night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it looks like this vlog is just going to become the unboxing vlog because I've received another package from another company slash website that sends out free samples to test. This one you have to write a review on the products. It is called Influencer, and today this came in from them. It is a face cream slash neck cream. And it is from Cetaphil, I believe is how you pronounce the brand. If I said that wrong, I'm so sorry. But yeah, it is a skin restoring water gel. Won't clog pores, oil free, fragrance free. So I've already taken my picture for Instagram because one of the things for my influencer campaign is that I have to post a picture of the product on Instagram. So there's that. And it claims to defend against 5 signs of skin sensitivity, weakened skin barrier, dryness, irritation, roughness, and tightness. So we will see. I tend to be more on the dry skin side, so we'll see if this works after I get everything washed and whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the actual product. So here it is. It comes in this little jar. So, and I believe this brand also makes lotion. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm pretty sure they do. So, if you know of this brand and have used it, definitely feel free to comment below. And now I'm gonna go watch The Ballinger. Good afternoon. So, um, welcome to another vlog clip. I'm definitely gonna be having a little bit of a spa night tonight. So I'm gonna try the face cream that I got in the mail Thursday. And I'm also gonna try a jelly sleeping mask tonight. It's a lavender mask. And so I had my driving lesson today. Relearned how to parallel park. That went well. Though I definitely should have gotten more sleep. So hopefully before my next lesson I can get more sleep. But anyway, after my lesson, I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up a few things. Now, I am not going to be using these anytime soon, but I still figured I would show you what I got. So here goes. So I have what I think is a bamboo scrubber. I can't find anything on this if this is actually bamboo or not. But it's a scrubber. The scrub brush. I also got a Star Wars oven mitt. I also got the matching towel that goes with this. So there's that. There's the towel that goes with the mitt I just showed you guys. And I also have another hand towel or dish towel, whatever you want to call it, that has sprinkles on it. So that's fun. And then I found these super cute tie-dye pleats. So there's that. And those are all the things I got at Hobby Lobby. Anyway, I'm gonna put those away in a little while. And I'm gonna go watch some YouTube and maybe a movie. We'll see what I end up doing. But that is all for today. Good evening, my fabulous 180. Welcome to another vlog clip. So, it is nearing time for summer vlogs to end. So, I just finished writing out my schedule for content for when school gets back in, and I've decided that I'm only gonna film 4 vlogs 3 days of the week. So what that means is I will be filming 4 vlogs Tuesday through Thursday, and then on Fridays I'll be focusing on solely filming Lindsay's Library episodes. And I will edit those on Saturdays or Sundays and post the Lindsay's Library episodes on Monday as usual. And then the vlogs will be posted on Saturday. because I'll be captioning and editing those vlog clips as I film them. So that's what my content schedule is going to be like during the school year. And that's all I needed to talk about tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna go watch some YouTube, maybe a few episodes of Bob's Burgers. I don't really know, but I'm not gonna be filming anymore tonight. Good evening, my fabulous 180. Welcome to another vlog clip. So, I'm just gonna continue my conversation about my content schedule. So, first things first, the vlog after this will be 2 weeks combined, just so I can get into the new content schedule. And I will just have 3 extra days of footage to work with in this case. So I'll be combining the last week of July with the first week of August. So there's that. And I've also been looking up some stuff through Google and Ecosia for something that I really would like to do with my life. So that's happening. I might talk more about that on the podcast. I was going to do it on the vlog, but then I decided not to do that tonight. So maybe I'll talk about it in a later vlog. But anyway, this will be almost the last vlog of the summer. And that ends this vlog because I didn't really do much today except I worked today. And I folded clothes and put away clothes. So that's what I did today. Anyway, if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my links down in the description below. The first of which is for my affiliate with So Sick Clothing. There's a promo code through them, which will get you 15% off site-wide. The promo code is ElGrace15. And the rest of my links are for my podcast, ElGrace After Hours. New episodes of that every Wednesday on Anchor, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, pretty much any podcast platform you can think of. And there's also my music, my website, my spring store, and last but not least is my social media. Thank you for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!